Friends, we have gathered here at this time to celebrate the coming together of two separate lives. We have come to witness the joining of this man, Matt, and this woman, Ashley, in marriage, to be with them, to rejoice and celebrate with them the love they have discovered in each other, and support them in making of this important and everlasting commitment.
We were thrilled when we had our baby girl and named her Ashley Joanne after my mother. At 7 months, much to our surprise, Ashley started walking and exploring. At age 12, Ashley gave us a scare and was diagnosed with a brain tumor. After several trips to the children, she underwent an 8-hour emergency surgery, which we were relieved when she came out smiling and talking. A few years later, the boys started to come around. But no one caught her eye or her heart like Matt.
I met Matt 6 years ago while working on an RA staff together, and I guess you could say we were unlikely friends. Matt is soft-spoken, humble, kind, and thoughtful, and I'm not really many of those things. Shortly after meeting, I met Ashley for the first time. I distinctly remember sitting in Matt's dorm room, and Matt said something that Ashley didn't like. She gave him the death glare, which I'm sure many of you have seen, and he just cackled and thought that it was hilarious. After a second or two, Ashley broke down and laughed too. Their opposing personalities balance each other out, and I've honestly never seen two people have more fun together.
Therefore, God has joined together, let no man put asunder. This is where you kiss the lovely bride. It is my extreme pleasure to introduce to all of you, for the very first time, as husband and wife, Matt and Ashley.
I remember when they first started dating and I went down the cellar stairs and pretended to cock my gun to send a message to Matt. Unfortunately, he thought I was trying to be cool and just playing my air guitar.
I'm confident that Matt has what it takes to make Ashley happy forever, and vice versa. You've tackled high school, college, law school, and nursing school together. There's nothing you can't take on as a team. Ashley, I'm so proud of you, and I'm so happy for the two of you. Congratulations, Ashley and Matt.
Oh, I never thought